Good morning to all of you. Welcome to my RNS the YouTube channel. So friends, today I will discuss about Santali Olchiki and English alphabet part 5. So friends, you can see here the left side number 5 line, which is right here in Santali language A F Ed N Ed, A F Ed N Ed, which is used in Santali language A, that is used in English language A or E, which is used in Santali language F, that is used in English language F, which is used in Santali language Ed, that is used in English language D, which is used in Santali language N, that is used in English language N, which is used in Santali language L, Ed, that is used in English language L. So friends, I would like to tell you once again which is used in English language, which is used in Santali language A, that is used in English language A or E, which is used in Santali language F, that is used in English language F, which is used in Santali language Ed, that is used in English language D, which is used in Santali language N, that is used in English language N, which is used in Santali language L, that is used in English language L. So friends, today is enough. Meet you once again the next video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for watching my next video. So friends, good day, goodbye.